Girls, can you hear baby crying sound?
Yes.
But I can't see any babies around us.
Aha! Can anyone explain why does it happen?
I don't know, Chiku.
Sound vibrations travel in a wave pattern, and we call these vibrations sound waves. Sound waves move by vibrating objects, and these objects vibrate other surrounding objects, carrying the sound along. Sounds can move through the air, water, or solids as long as there are particles to bounce off. Let's find where is the sound coming from.
I think it's coming from the second floor.
Good hearing, Zaitun. Let's go find our pupils.
It's over there. I think I see it too.
Alright, let's go and check it out. Although we are at different positions, we can hear the baby crying sound as sound travels in all directions. On the next episode, Zaitun, Sanjana and Maylene will show you the reflection of sound. Stay tuned!